Most Wi-Fi attacks fail. This one doesn't. Meet Fluxion, the king of social engineering attacks. If you wanted to know how to install Fluxion on Kali Linux 2026.1 without any dependencies errors, this is the ultimate wireless security video you need. And yes, Fluxion is now officially on the Kali repository. No more manual installation headaches, just run sudo apt install Fluxion and your Fi security auditing setup is ready. Before we start, let me tell you first this video is not sponsored by any company or developer. All content is provided for educational and cybersecurity awareness purposes only. Setup is ready. So, what is Fluxion and how does it work in modern ethical hacking? Instead of using the old air cracking NG brute force approach to crack WPA or WPA2 handshake, which fails 90-100% of the time, Fluxion automates advanced evil twin attacks or rogue access point. It perfectly mimics the target Wi-Fi network's SSID and security settings. This connects the legitimate users and serves realistic captive portal. When users type their Wi-Fi password for a fake firmware update, Flexion captures and validates it against real handshake in real time. So think about that. You aren't cracking encryption here. You are exploiting human psychology. This is why Fluxion is an essential tool for penetration testing and user awareness training, providing that the weakest link in the network security is almost always the human factor, not the machine code.